Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota RAV4 front bumper. Begin by parking safely, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical issues. Remove plastic clips and screws from the grille and wheel wells while noting their locations. Use a trim tool to pry clips carefully and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers. Work slowly and photograph each step to make reassembly straightforward and stress-free. Gather all tools and parts before you start to make the job smooth and efficient. A socket set, ratchet, trim tool, and panel clips will handle most tasks without improvisation. Have a small pan for bolts and a labeled tray so nothing gets lost under the car. If fog lights or sensors are present, set aside a helper and an electrical connector release tool to avoid breaking plastic tabs while you work carefully. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear auto tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers keep soups and sauces secure, are dishwasher safe, and make shop lunches hassle-free. They stack neatly in a toolkit or cooler and save cleanup time after greasy jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the wheels and removing the screws in the wheel well liners to reveal hidden retainers. Next, remove grille clips and any upper fasteners, then unbolt the bumper from the frame mounts using your socket set. Disconnect fog light and sensor connectors before extracting the bumper. Have a helper support the bumper and pull it straight off the clips to avoid bending tabs. Place the bumper on a soft blanket to prevent dents or scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.